Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start PayPal checkout on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select business tools. Now scroll down, select this show all button, scroll down again and select PayPal checkout. Now select get started and scroll down, and then you have to choose from one of these options. Let's say if you are going with a have a custom built site, then you just need to select on this choose button. And if you want to go with this option right here which says just want buttons for your site, then you just need to select on this choose button. So I'll go with this one, and here you guys can see that you just need to select on this all done button after you have done all of these things that they are asking you to do. And just like that guys, you have successfully set up your PayPal checkout on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.